There's a known issue in the 2005 National Electrical Code Handbook concerning the definition of laundry circuit load. Specifically, a reference to Section 200.14 appears to be incorrect. Section 200.14 does not exist in the 2005 version of the National Electrical Code. This seems to be a typographical error in the handbook. When dealing with laundry circuits, there are several relevant sections you should consult for proper installation and compliance. These sections address various aspects of laundry circuits, including load calculations, outlet requirements, and dedicated circuit specifications. Firstly, refer to Section 220.52, which deals with appliance loads in dwelling units. This section provides guidance on how to calculate the load for appliances, including those found in laundry areas. Secondly, examine Section 210.11, which pertains to branch circuit serving laundry areas in dwelling units. This section outlines the requirements for the number and type of branch circuits needed for laundry equipment. Thirdly, consult Section 210.50, which covers the installation of receptacles in laundry areas. This section specifies the placement and type of receptacles required for laundry equipment. Fourthly, review Section 210.52, which specifically addresses receptacle outlets in laundry areas. This section provides detailed requirements for the location and type of receptacle outlets that must be installed in laundry rooms. These sections collectively provide the necessary information for safely and correctly wiring a laundry circuit according to the 2005 National Electrical Code. Always consult the latest edition of the National Electrical Code in any applicable local amendments for the most up-to-date requirements. Electrical codes and standards are constantly evolving, so it's important to stay informed about the latest changes and updates. Incorrect wiring or improper installations can lead to serious safety hazards, including electrical shock and fire. When working with electrical systems, always prioritize safety. Ensure that the power is turned off to the circuit before starting any work. Use appropriate personal protective equipment, such as insulated gloves and safety glasses. If you are not comfortable working with electrical systems, consult a qualified electrician. Electrical work should only be performed by individuals who are properly trained and licensed. Familiarize yourself with the basic principles of electrical wiring, including voltage, current, resistance, and power. Understand the difference between series and parallel circuits. Learn how to properly size wires and overcurrent protection devices. Understanding the National Electrical Code is crucial for ensuring the safety and reliability of electrical installations. The National Electrical Code provides comprehensive guidelines for electrical wiring, equipment, and systems. It is updated every 3 years to reflect the latest advancements in electrical technology and safety practices. The National Electrical Code covers a wide range of topics, including wiring methods, overcurrent protection, grounding, and equipment installation. It is essential for electricians, electrical contractors, and building inspectors to have a thorough understanding of the National Electrical Code. The purpose of the National Electrical Code is to protect people and property from electrical hazards. By following the National Electrical Code, you can minimize the risk of electrical shock, fire, and other electrical-related accidents. Always refer to the latest edition of the National Electrical Code for the most up-to-date information and requirements. Consider taking continuing education courses in the National Electrical Code to stay current with the latest changes and updates. These courses can help you enhance your knowledge of electrical safety and improve your skills as an electrician or electrical contractor. If you have any questions or concerns about the National Electrical Code, consult a qualified electrical inspector or electrical engineer. They can provide you with expert guidance and assistance to ensure that your electrical installations are safe and compliant. In addition to the National Electrical Code, there may be other applicable codes and standards that you need to follow. These may include local building codes, state electrical codes, and industry standards. It is important to be aware of all the relevant codes and standards that apply to your electrical work. Failure to comply with these codes and standards can result in fines, penalties, and even legal action. Make sure to obtain all necessary permits and approvals before starting any electrical work. These permits and approvals are required to ensure that your work meets all applicable codes and standards. Work with a qualified electrical inspector to ensure that your electrical installations are properly inspected and approved. Electrical inspections are an important part of the process to verify that your work is safe and compliant. By following these guidelines, you can ensure that your electrical work is performed safely, correctly, and in accordance with all applicable codes and standards. This will help protect people and property from electrical hazards and ensure the long-term reliability of your electrical systems. It is also a good practice to keep detailed records of all electrical work that you perform, including wiring diagrams, load calculations, and inspection reports. These records can be helpful for troubleshooting problems and for future reference. Consider using a professional electrical design software program to help you plan and design your electrical installations. These programs can help you ensure that your designs are accurate, efficient, and compliant with the National Electrical Code. In conclusion, always prioritize safety when working with electrical systems. Follow the National Electrical Code and other applicable codes and standards. Obtain all necessary permits and approvals. Work with qualified professionals. By following these guidelines, you can help ensure the safety and reliability of your electrical installations. Remember that electrical work can be dangerous, and it is important to take all necessary precautions. If you are not comfortable working with electrical systems, consult a qualified electrician. Electrical work should only be performed by individuals who are properly trained and licensed. This typographical error in the 2005 National Electrical Code Handbook highlights the importance of double-checking references and consulting multiple sources to ensure accuracy. It also underscores the need to rely on the core sections of the code itself, rather than solely relying on handbook interpretations. When encountering discrepancies, cross-reference with other relevant sections and consult with experienced professionals for clarification. The key takeaway is to be diligent and not solely depend on a single reference, especially when dealing with critical safety aspects of electrical installations.